Everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys, who wants to talk about today weather? Oh my gosh, you guys, in the last video, if you just saw my last video, you will see that I called the new together weather today weather. I don't know why I did that. Just the TO. Remember last year I kept calling autumn drive Apple Drive. You know, Bath and Body Works, you put out like 500 cents a year. I'm going to screw a couple up. I've actually kind of been avoiding talking about this one because it's a tough one for me. So I'm going to do a first impression. My little faux pas has forced me to do a first impression. How's that for alliteration? So, number one, I cannot find my mist. It's around here somewhere. I actually have used this. I have the body butter. I have the cream, and I have used it. I just don't know exactly what it is. So it's funny. A couple of people actually texted me, and they said that it is a repackage of the Cozy Cinnamon and Sandalwood, which I can kind of see that. So the scent notes in this one are blushing breeze, sugared cardamom, and soft cedar. I was laughing so hard. Someone on the Bath and Body Works website wrote, what did they write? This is so funny. It smells like strawberry pound cake mated with geranium. That does not sound good. So, this one is very nondescript to me because it's a little bit of like a floral, but it's a little bit cozy. And I do kind of get the geranium thing. I don't love this one. I think that's kind of why I've been like avoiding my review. And it's funny because I went ahead and I bought the body butter because I was like, oh, together weather. I think I might like this one. I think this is getting gifted out, but I actually haven't even used the body butter. I've only used it in the cream, and I don't know. It just is not really. Where's the little? I didn't even open this yet. Where's the little top thingy? Did I buy the try it one? I hope not. I actually may return the body butter. I don't know. I'm just not overly thrilled with this one. It's funny because I can't even smell it in the body butter. I mean, a little bit. You know what? It does smell exactly like geranium, though. I used this one, I want to say, about like a week and a half ago. On my legs, and you know, like I said, it just feels like it's neither here nor there. It's kind of fruity, it's kind of florally, it's kind of breezy. Blushing breeze, sugared cardamom, and soft cedar. I'm not really getting cedar out of this though. I don't know. This is a really tough one for me. Like I said, I've kind of been avoiding it because I really don't know what category to put it in. Is it a cozy scent? Is it a warm scent? Is it a fall scent? You know what? It's funny because remember when they brought out the Snowy Peachberry? I did not like that one. Remember for Christmas? And that was another one that I was like, oh, I don't really want to review this one because I didn't really have anything nice to say about it. And I feel like reading the reviews, it's really mixed because a lot of people like it. So I think it's one of those scents that it's either going to be your scent or it's not going to be your scent. And if it's not your scent, you want nothing to do with it. You're just like, no. It's kind of unfortunate that this was like their big new fall scent in the like Traditions collection, because everything else is like a repackage. Marshmallow pumpkin latte, sweater weather, ivory cashmere, pumpkin pecan waffles, champagne apple and honey. All of them are repackaged. This was like the new one. And I had just done a video earlier talking, I wish they brought coconut candy apple back instead of the together weather. I'm going to say together weather, not today weather. Weather. But like it's not thrilling me. I gotta say, And it's not like it's bad. It's just like I said, it's just not my thing. Because I really don't know what it is. And if it really does have geranium in it, that's probably why I don't like it, because I'm not a huge fan of geranium. It does feel like a late fall scent. If I had to accurately describe it, I'd call it a dry, floral, hint of fruity ambiance of cozy. That's what we're going to call this, but it's not very strong. It's not like super strong. So so that's together today, together weather, together today weather. I'm just going to rename it. So yeah, I might return the body butter at least, because I still am not convinced I didn't try it now. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious to see what everyone thinks of this. I know a lot of people have been asking me to review it, but there you have it. I went to Dollar Tree today, by the way. I got some Halloween stuff. That is coming a little bit later. Bye-bye.